Europort is a company for which the quality of product and services are the highest priorities. We combine professionalism, knowledge, experience and knowledge of the market to offer our clients specialist support in the field of building fences. Our storage space allows for the continuous sale of fence panels, posts, prefabricated foundations, gates, wickets and other accessories necessary to implement even the most demanding customer idea. In our work, we take care of every detail to provide customers with the best products at the lowest market price. A wide selection of solutions, colours and patterns gives many opportunities to create a solid, nice and durable fence. We don't compromise, which is why in our offer we have only excellent quality panels with 51 wires vertically. Unbeatable products go hand in hand with high quality of service, which we treat as a priority. We offer deliveries of goods throughout Europe. Our company values the customer and his time, which is why we deliver quickly on the agreed date. If you are looking for a seller for whom professionalism is the basis, bet on Europort. We invite anyone who wants to develop their company based on the best quality business practices. Become a partner of Europort. With us, you have the opportunity to score points with customers.